What's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're taking a look at GeminiGen, a website that you can use to generate videos and photos. GeminiGen is generally described as an AI content generation platform that focuses on creating images and videos from text prompts. It claims that it uses advanced AI models similar to Google's ecosystem to generate visual content quickly for creators and social media users. You have text-to-speech generation, text-to-video generation, simple prompt-based interface, fast content creation for social media, and beginner-friendly workflow. Just type your prompt and generate. Its main appeal is speed and simplicity. Users can generate visual content without editing skills. But on the other hand, it's not an official Google product. Quality can vary a lot depending on prompts and limited editing control compared to Pro Tools. Some platforms using the same name may be unstable or inconsistent, and brand confusion often mistaken for real AI tools. So GeminiGen is the best, seen as a third-party AI generator inspired by modern video or image AI trends. Not a verified Google platform, it can be useful for quick content creation, but it shouldn't be confused with official tools like Google's AI Studio or VEO-based systems. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.